Hi, I am Yogesh Gute. Today's technical point is causality assessment. Now, causality assessment essentially meaning finding a causal association or relationship between a drug and a drug reaction. It is an evaluation of the likelihood that a particular treatment is the cause of an observed adverse event. In this an important and challenging part of pharmacovigilance in which attempts are made to find out the exact drug responsible for causing drug reaction. This is important in clinical practice as more and more drugs are flooding the market and are used by our patients and more likely to cause side effects besides its effects. In the pursuit for efficacy, safety of this drug is causally ignored as the safety of the patient is more important than efficacy. Identify the culprit drug becomes much more essential. The principles and methods of causality assessment or causality assessment tool help clinicians to identify the culprit drugs. There are multiple criteria or algorithms available as of now for establishing a causal relationship in causes of adverse drug reaction, indicating that none of them is specific or complete. The present study review some of the established or commonly caused CAT and its implication or relevance to dermatology in clinical practice. Causality assessment is important in every discipline of medical practice. Identify the culprit drug or a drug can be life-saving or harmful in preventing the further damage caused by the drug to our body systems. In the dermatology practice, this is much more important and relevant because many etiological can produce a similar cutaneous manifestation. Many a time multiple drugs are taken by the patients and it is difficult to ascertain to the exact drug responsible for causing a drug reaction, and when the underlying disease is capable of producing the some cutaneous manifestation as caused by the drug. Unfortunately, there are no specific diagnostic tests, although histopathology can provide a clue for the diagnosis of drug reaction. It is not sufficient to point toward a particular drug. Tests such as intradermal test to patch tests required further standardization in terms of test formulation. Timing of the test are those inadequate, however, and identify the exact drug is paramount important as it directly influences decision making by a clinician either to continue or to withdraw the likely drugs. This can be a very critical in some circumstances and thus establishing causality with near perfection is desirable. All causality assessment methods or tools follow four cardinal principles of diagnosis of ADR: temporal relationship of drug with the drug reaction, biological plausibility, dischallenge and rechallenge. When dischallenge or rechallenges has acquired in the past, it is called positive pre-challenge or negative pre-challenge. A patient with diarrhea is given metronidazole and develops a fixed drug reaction. After 2 days of starting metronidazole, as the patient develops suspect drug reaction, metronidazole is stopped and the patient is put on antihistamines to topical corticosteroids. The patient will, after stopping the drug, ablates the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation successfully. The challenge: after 3 months, the patient takes metronidazole on his own and presents to the dermatologist with the onset of FDR at the same site. After 2 days, the metronidazole intake dermatologist will diagnose metronidazole as the cause of FDR with greater confidence. Successfully the challenges. Thank you.